I got a Nana. I got a Nana. And I'm looking her over. Oh, well. Are you getting aggravated now? Are you getting aggravated now? Yeah. What? Oh, I'm so glad you're talking tonight. Yeah, I'm so glad you're talking. Oh, where's the binky? Where's the binky? You think we need to get the binky? The binky, where's the binky? Where's the binky? Where's the binky? Did you go toss some more before we get the binky? Did you answer, Nana? You want your binky? Say yes, ma'am. You want the binky? Say yes. Say yes. Say thank you. It's like he said thank you. You're precious. Too precious. You just told me all about it tonight, didn't you?
I hope you took notes, Diane.
I did. I heard every word he said. He said, Nana, Nana, Nana.
Yeah.
Didn't you, darling? Didn't you, darling? Right after he said Mommy and Daddy, he said Nana. He might want to talk some more. He might. He just might. If he can have that big
He's talking under his breath now.
He got something to say. Says if you didn't have the binky, you could say it. Yeah, you could. You could say, could you say that for Nana? Could you say that for Nana? Could you say goo? Could you say goo 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 goo for Nana? Could you say goo goo? Oh. Oh, you want your binky? Thank you. Thank you. Since you are looking me over, little man. You're looking me over. Yes, you are. What do you want to do?